Hey, what's up guys, this is Samir. So today I have got this Sunbeam Insta Go blender which I bought from Meyer and it cost $50. So today I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this Sunbeam Insta Go. So it is one of the cheapest instant blenders that you can get most probably. So I could also find one called Russell Hobbs Mix and Go, which was around $39. I bought this from Meyer Australia and it cost around $50. I think it's quite cheap. So out of the box we have got this blender and 2 bottles. I think 2 bottles is quite necessary because you can make 1 bottle spare, so you can use this blender to make smoothies and protein shakes and everything. But it is one of the cheapest blenders, so let's do the unboxing and review and whether it's good to buy this blender or not. So here is one of the bottle. It has got this fitted base. So here is another bottle, so it is just a bottle. Here is the actual blender, so it's quite small in size. And here we have 2 caps for the bottle. 2 bottle, 2 caps, 1 blender and 1. This one is the base of the blender where we put over here. That's it in the box. So actually the bottle is quite good. So this blender it has got 2 600 milliliter capacity sport style bottles, BPA free, and the blender is 350 watt. So this is how small it is. So from some of the blenders I got complaint that when you were trying to unscrew this, it just unscrewed this whole bottle. So let's see how it goes with this one. So first of all, for this blender we put our fruits and everything that we need to prepare inside this bottle, and then put the lid, foam lid. So here is one marker. So you need to align this marker with this white marker over here, and then so there will be this clicking sound. When you want to open this bottle, then just need to press a little bit and then it will open. So let's try it out. I've got some fruits over here. So now this is how you fit this lid, or what we can say is the blender head. So now blender head is tight. What we need to do is align this mark with the mark over here. So this is the mark, the black and white mark should be aligned. And then yeah, so now it makes the sound of clicking. So here's only one button, so this is the only one way to mix. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied with the result. So let's see whether it gets stuck or not. The blender head, just push a little. Oh good, look, it's so good. I like it. So now what you can do is just remove the lid, this lid over here. So your drink is ready. It's really good. I think I'm pretty much satisfied with the results. I saw some reviews of this Sunbeam Insta Go blender on Meyer website as well, and the reviews were pretty good. And from the results, from the initial results at least, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I've got this another one as well. So I've got some apples and carrots in it. Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy. So let's see how well it goes with the ice cubes. Yeah, I think I'm pretty much happy with the ice cubes taste as well. So I think for the final verdict, I think I'm pretty happy with the purchase, and highly recommend you guys to purchase this Sunbeam Insta Go blender. I find it is one of the best blender under $50. So that's it guys. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.